Remember the course.
Stage 5, our third stage of the match, River Rat. You're seated at a card table and you flip over the top card of the deck, and whatever the suit color is, that's your no-shoot. I flip a black card, so all the black targets downrange now become no-shoot. First target we engage is the white target seated directly across from us. 3 rounds. Safe your pistol, leave it on a table, and we move laterally, grab a sandbag out of one shooting box, deliver it to a shooting box on the other side of the bay. Return to the table and begin engaging these steel targets in specific arrays near to far. In between each engagement, you get up and you move a sandbag again. The last, farthest array includes a no-shoot target. That's the white plate.
That's true. Not on one. Thanks.
That man went for the head. Shooting red. It's one of those like still and steady kind of thing. His name was Carlos, so he can get better. Okay, sorry. Got it. 2 on each. Drop your mag. Show clear. Forward. Trigger. Holster. 9299. 1 penalty, I believe, right?
Yeah, what? I guess
Oh.
one would.
You might bring it